I'm Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. The summer heat has finally settled in, and that means gardeners are paying more attention to watering and farmers more attention to irrigation. A map of potential plant water demand for Monday shows a lot of high numbers. In the west, over 4/10 of an inch of water for turfgrass. That tapers down to 3/10 around the yellow area on the map and on down to 1/4 inch for most of the eastern side of Oklahoma. Plants could use over an inch within 3 days in the west and an inch in 4 days in the east. How does this compare to the long-term average? A graph of potential water demand for Hobart shows that Monday's 3900ths was above the average for early July, with the 10-year average closer to 3200ths. For Shawnee, Monday's water demand matched its long-term average of 2700ths. In the east, at Salisaw, water demand on Monday was 2400ths, just above the average of 2200ths. When we combine long-term average graph lines for Hobart, Shawnee, and Salisaw, we really see the higher water demand in the west dropping slightly as we go east. Our graph also shows that we've only just begun, with the highest water demand of the summer most often in the first 2 weeks in August. Gary, summer has arrived.
Good morning. That's certainly no secret to those of us in Oklahoma, but it has turned dry once again. Now, it's not that unusual. It is summer. That's sort of a normal thing for Oklahoma, but unfortunately it's getting a little too dry once again. So let's take a look at the latest U.S. Drought Monitor map and see how that's impacted the picture. Now, we did see drought increase across northern Oklahoma over into Osage County and also over into southeastern Oklahoma and along the Red River. And we also saw that abnormally dry condition, or the yellow, start to spread across the state as well. So a little bit too much more drought than what we would like to see. The precursor to drought, that DO, did spread across more of the state, as I said. Still though, central Oklahoma and parts of southeastern Oklahoma still doing a little bit better. Now the reasons are pretty obvious. It simply hasn't rained much since mid-June. The statewide average since June 10th was about 1.59 inches. Now that's more than 2.2 inches below normal. Pretty drastic for summer when the heat's really hitting us. That's also about 20 to 60% of normal for that time period. So pretty dry even for summer, and similar to what we've seen the last few summers as well. So it's a little bit alarming, but not necessarily time to panic just yet. We do need rainfall. It's not impossible to get that during the summer, so we'll just have to keep hoping. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.